but here it is. Oh! Before we get going on this video, here's me. Hello. I have a question. Have you ever bought something online to then realize you could have gotten it for less? That is literally worse than accidentally killing your dog in Minecraft. Okay, not really, but luckily, I discovered Honey. Honey is a free browser extension that lets you save money online. The way Honey works is that it scans the internet for coupon codes whenever you check out, and just like Unicorn Wizard Magic, it puts it out and saves you money. Amazing. Honey literally knows about every single coupon code there is. You know those weirdos at the mall with all those coupon codes? That's Honey. Imagine having an army of those working for you, for free.
Bruh.
That's Honey. Honey knows about over 20,000 websites, such as Amazon, Alibaba, GameStop. You're a gamer. Razer, it works on Razer. When you buy your Pewdiepie headphones, Honey will save you money. And you don't have to do anything extra. Honey will do all the work for you when you check out. And I gotta say, it feels amazing. It feels almost as good as hitting 100 million subscribers. The feeling is actually completely mutual. I usually use Honey for Amazon because I buy a lot of dumb stuff for my videos or stuff for my home. And it's just nice to save extra money because then I have more money to buy more dumb stuff that I don't need. I think it's just a good feeling knowing you're paying the absolute lowest price you can for something. Honey is for everyone and it works for anything you buy online. Go to honey.com/PewDiePie. I know other YouTubers have promoted Honey, but if you haven't downloaded Honey now is the time to do it. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it saves you money. Now, why am I getting angry about it? I am literally getting angry about it because it's so easy. It's such a win-win service. You literally can't lose anything from using it. It takes 2 clicks to install. Link is in the description. Do it! It's as Mr. Beast says, unless you hate money, you should download Honey.
Join honey.com/PewDiePie.
Also, big thanks to Honey for helping me celebrate this huge milestone of 100 million. Let's get in with the video. 9 years ago, I uploaded my first video onto YouTube. This is what that video looked like. It blew up, I got millions of views, and I was big right away. No. Instead of 12 million views, this video had about 3 or 4. This is what my content actually looked like back in that day.
Pewdiepie! And I am back with Black Ops, with an awesome game of Search and Destroy.
It wasn't good. It wasn't engaging. It wasn't even original, but I loved it. It took so many uploads just for me to hit even 100 subscribers. And hitting 100 subscribers was huge. Huge for me.
And yeah, today we're gonna celebrate, because I got 100 subscribers. Oh my lord, 100 subscribers.
It's funny looking back to that video and what I said. I obviously had big goals.
I like to aim at big goals, even though they might not be relevant at all. But no, I don't wanna be famous.
But at that time, I was 20 years old. I was living in Sweden in a small flat. I had just moved away from home. I had no idea what I was doing. I just knew I enjoyed it. I was also studying at university at the time. Industrial economics and management. My calling in life. That's what I want to do. So I decided this YouTube hobby, I'll probably have to set aside because I should probably focus on my finals. So I uploaded a video saying I was going on a break, but in reality, I was quitting. This was it for me.
Just can't put my hobby in front of that right now. So I'm sure most of you will understand that, and I'm gonna miss you guys a lot actually.
Which was a pretty reasonable choice to make, considering I had about 5 people that actually watched me during this time. But luckily, the break didn't last long. Just a few days later, I was back uploading videos again. I had found what I was actually passionate about, and I wasn't ready to just let it go. I knew that a career in YouTube was so far away. It was more of a myth than a dream at this point, because people didn't even know if it was possible, but it was always at the back of my mind that there was a tiny chance that this could actually happen. I was back uploading videos, and I tried out this new horror game that had just come out, called Amnesia, and it was scarier than anything that... it didn't even compare.
Holy fuck. Welcome back.
And the top comment of this video really says it. It is what started it all, for me at least. I wasn't popular as soon as I played Amnesia, but for the first time, the 5 people that watched my videos, they really enjoyed it. And I could tell I was onto something. And this wasn't just new for me, it was a new thing on YouTube as well. And I had never played horror games before. It was genuinely horrible. I made montages and compilations of the best moments where it's really just me screaming. They're kind of loud, they're kind of obnoxious, but they got a charm to them. Eventually I had grown 1,000 subscribers, but it was also clear I had grown an audience that really cared about me. I used to be an introvert, but YouTube really helped me open up, because on the other side there was people that really appreciated the side of me that I didn't show to anyone. At this point, I had completely failed school. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. My passion was somewhere else, and I famously started selling hot dogs to sustain myself. But I look back at this time with great memories, because I was finally pursuing my goal, my dream. Not selling hot dogs, but making videos in my spare time, that is. At this time, I managed to meet a girl online, who later became my wife. I won't bore you with every step of the way of the journey. It's been long. It had its ups and downs. I made a lot of mistakes on the way, but I've grown. I feel like I have, at least. And I feel like I've finally come in terms with the responsibility I have as a creator. About 100 million subs too late, but you know. But the channel's done a lot of good too. A lot of things I'm truly proud of. We literally raised millions of dollars to charities. And I'm really proud of my audience for helping me do that. Looking back at myself in that flat in Sweden is a very surreal experience. I would never, ever have imagined this outcome. Beyond my wildest dreams came true. 10 times over, 100 times over. I'm 9 years older now. I'm still awkward as fuck, but I finally got confidence in myself. And I'm really proud of who I am today. And instead of 100 subs, we hit 100 million subs. We did it! I want to thank all the people I work with over the past couple years. You know who you are. I want to thank the people I collaborated with. I want to thank all the great friends I met along the way. I want to thank my previous and current editors, Michael, Brad, Saib. I want to thank my family for supporting me in doing something that I didn't even know what it was. And I want to thank Marzia for being by my side every step of the way. But most importantly, I want to thank the bros. I don't need to tell you about the journey. You already know it. Brofist. Got a letter in the post. What is this? I like the color scheme, YouTube. Very nice. It even got a letter from Susan. I won't read the whole thing, but it finishes with congratulations again on becoming Marcia's husband. And please give Sven a big hug from us. Thank you, Susan. Now, if you've been on Twitter, you've seen this already. But here it is. Let me get this out of the way. Oh my god, I've smudged it already. Ba-da! Pewdiepie, congratulations on passing 100 million subscribers. I know a lot of people wanted a custom reward, but I don't care. This is awesome. And of course, thank you, YouTube. Where would I be without you? That's it for me for now. Please subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 million. Is that a billion? Oh my god. Let's get it. We have to beat... No, I'm just kidding. See you gamers tomorrow.